Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to enable dark mode on ChatGPT. If you're tired of that bright white screen and want to give your eyes a rest in 2026, let's get right into the settings. First, you need to access your account menu. Head over to the ChatGPT website and log in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for your profile icon or your name. On the desktop version, this is usually in the bottom left corner, while on some mobile browser layouts, it might be in the top right. Click that to open your account options and select Settings. Next, you need to find the theme controls. Inside the settings window, make sure you're on the General tab. You'll see a section labeled Theme with a drop-down menu next to it. By default, it's usually set to System, which means it follows whatever your computer or phone is currently using. Click that menu and select Dark to lock in the dark theme permanently. Then, you should check out the new OLED black option for mobile. In 2026, if you're using the ChatGPT app on an iPhone or Android with an OLED screen, you have a special choice. Instead of just a dark gray, you can select Midnight. This turns the background pixels completely off, which looks incredibly sleek and helps save a significant amount of battery life while you're chatting. Finally, keep in mind that these settings sync across your devices. Once you change your theme to dark on your computer, it'll usually update your mobile app automatically the next time you open it. If it doesn't, you can manually toggle it in the app by tapping the menu, hitting the three dots by your name, and going to the same theme section under your app settings. And that's it! Your workspace is now officially easier on the eyes. If this quick setup guide helps you customize your AI today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and creator tutorials. See you in the next one.